Welcome back to Dolphinzz kitchen. Today's video, guys, will be preparing Ghana jollof rice. Anyway, I have here with me my goat meat, which I'm going to season really well, cook it thoroughly, and then fry it, and that will go in the jollof rice later on. And I have here my green bell pepper. I've got my Scotch bonnet. I've got ginger, garlic, and half onion. I'm going to blend these and put it in my stew. And I have here 2 medium onions. I've got my 4 bay leaves, and I have here, this is about 400 grams of tomato puree, and I have here my nutmeg, my fish powder, my curry powder, my black pepper, my salt to taste, and I have here 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, and I have here my all-purpose seasoning. This is my garlic powder, my ginger powder, and my Italian seasoning, and of course my Basmati rice. And I'm going to steam my goat meat with my powdered ginger and my powdered garlic, and of course my all-purpose seasoning, and maybe a teaspoon of salt. Right, guys, so let's wash our hands and start cooking. So guys, I have in here 1 medium-sized onion chopped in there for seasoning, and this meat has been washed really well and chopped in the sizes that I like. I'm going to be adding about a tablespoon of my ginger and a tablespoon of my garlic and a teaspoon of my Italian seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, about a tablespoon, and a teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna be adding about 1 cup of water. So we're gonna leave this to steam for about 20 minutes, but we'll keep an eye on it. Alright guys, so as we're waiting for our meat to cook, we can start with the stew, the base of the jollof rice. We add in here about 2 cups of oil, hot, and then we go in with our onions. I'm using a big pot today because I'm making a big jollof rice. So we're going to fry this onions for about 5 minutes till it's translucent. Okay, so this has been frying for about 5 minutes now, guys. So we go in with our tomato puree. And we are going to leave this to also fry for about 10 minutes because we want it to really cook well, the tomato puree, before we add in anything else. Let it just go for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, this has been going for about 10 minutes now. And we can add in our chopped onions, our chopped tomatoes. And also we can add in our blended ginger, garlic and our bell pepper and Scotch bonnet. That goes in there too. Scrape all the goodies out. Give it a stir, and we're going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Then we add in our seasoning. Smell of the ginger and garlic is so beautiful. Right, so we let this simmer for about 20 minutes, and then we'll keep an eye on it. Right guys, let's check on our meat. It's looking good. And it's still a bit hard, so it's got a while to go because I want it soft before we fry it. It's looking really good. Okay, we leave it on to do its thing, and we'll just keep an eye on it. Right guys, let's check on our stew. It's looking good. It's really good. Right, now we can put in our bay leaves and all our spices. That's our black pepper, our nutmeg, our curry powder, and our fish powder, and about a teaspoon of our all-purpose, because we're going to be using the stock from our meat, and it's already got some seasoning. It's already got some seasoning in there, so we have to be careful with our salt in here. I'll taste for salt now. I'll add about a teaspoon of salt. And we'll let this simmer for about 10 more minutes, and our meat should be ready then, so we can use the stock. Okay guys. Okay, let's check on our meat now. Yeah, it's all cooked now. It's nice and soft. See, the broth has all thickened now, so we are ready. So we're gonna be, I'll turn the fire off first. I'll take them out of the stock, because I need that broth, that stock for my stew. They are full of goodies. The stew is also looking good. We'll just pour our broth in there. This stage we can add in our rice, and it's all washed nicely. It's looking good, looking really good. All right, I'll just add about a cup of water. Yeah, that should do. Right, and we let this cook for about 10 minutes, and we'll check on it. We'll stir it. Okay guys. Okay guys, let's fry our meat now. We're gonna be frying this till it gets to a golden brown. Okay. We can check on our jollof rice. Now I have to swap to my wooden spoon. So I need something firm to be able to turn the rice. Right, still looking good. Now we'll just leave it on a low heat, low to medium heat, to do its thing. About 15 minutes or so, we check on it again, and we can, at that stage, we can cover it with our foil or our parchment paper. Okay guys, let's check on our rice. It's looking beautiful. Give it a gentle stir. At this point, I'm going to cover it with my foil, and it's going to be on the low heat. On the low heat for about 15 minutes, and we'll come check on it again. Alright, our meat is all done now. We'll take it off the fire. Nice and crispy, just the way I want it. So we'll set this on the side until our rice is nearly done. Okay guys, I checked it after 15 minutes and it was still cooking. And it's been about 10 minutes after that 15 minutes. And you see guys, it's looking beautiful. It's really looking good. So now we can add in our goat meat. Okay guys, we'll cover it for 5 more minutes and that will be it. Okay guys. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me cook, and you give us a thumbs up and let me know what you think if you try it. Okay guys, and I shall see you in my next video.